Hello and welcome to The Canadian Wants to Know. Today I'm asking, are you someone who wants to learn a new skill or get a better job, but you feel unqualified or incapable of doing so? Would you like to develop yourself, but something within you is holding you back? If that's you, then this episode is for you. I'm in the beautiful city of Freiburg today with the question, how can I overcome negative self-talk? What is negative self-talk? It's those negative words that we say about ourselves. It usually begins with the phrase, I can't do this. I can't learn a new language. I can't develop a technical skill. I can't get a better job. This way of thinking limits us. It can lead to stress and depression, and ultimately, it will leave us unsatisfied with our lives. I've met many people like this, and that's why I really want to know, how can we overcome this behavior? These are the 3 tips I've learned about. Number 1, become aware of it. A lot of times we don't even realize when we're being negative. I met this one person who said to me, George, I'm a positive person. And within the first 30 minutes, they continued to say the phrase, I can't. So a lot of times we don't even realize when we're being negative. Ask your friends and family the following question. How often do you hear me speak negatively about myself? And actually listen to their answers. Because the first thing we do is we deny it. We say, no, you're just exaggerating. That's not true. So accept it. If it's a problem, accept it and recognize it. Secondly, think about how negative self-talk has already influenced your life. Have you missed out on opportunities because of it? Have you tried to do something 1 or 2 times, and then when it didn't work out, you quit? Where would your life be if you changed the way you thought about yourself? Would you have a better job? Would you earn more money? Would you have better relationships with others? As soon as we become aware of the consequences of our self-talk, we can begin the process of changing it. In science, there's a concept called fixed versus growth mindset. Fixed mindset are those people who believe that their genetics plays the biggest role in the development of their lives. They'll say things like, I'm not good at math. I'm not good at learning languages. It's just the way it is. There's nothing I can do about it. And because of it, they don't even try. Whereas people with growth mindset believe that their life will be determined by the effort that they put into things. They'll say things like, I know I can't do it today, but if I just make an effort and I try and I develop good strategies, then I will develop those skills. And what scientists have found is that people with a growth mindset are far more successful in life than those with the fixed mindset. And not just professionally, but also in their private lives. They have better relationships and they're also healthier people. So, the way you think about yourself will have a direct impact on the quality of your life. Third and final point, replace your negative self-talk with new beliefs. Whenever you start to say, I can't do this, tell yourself, let me try and see what happens. If it doesn't work out, at least I learned and gained some valuable experience. Tell yourself, making mistakes is part of the process. It's the only way to learn. Tell yourself, maybe my beliefs are not based on reality. Let me do some research before I give up. What I like to do is I talk to myself. I'll walk around my room and I'll have a conversation with myself out loud. When my brain starts to tell me, oh George, you're never going to be successful in Germany, I'll counter that with, well, a lot of immigrants have already become successful in this country. I have a skill set that is in demand in this country and I'm able to develop relationships with others. So maybe this little devil on my left shoulder doesn't know what he's talking about. So talk to yourself and try to counter that negative self-talk with new beliefs. So to recap, number 1, become aware of your negative self-talk. Number 2, think about the consequences of your beliefs on the quality of your life. And number 3, replace your negative self-talk with new beliefs. That's it for me. If you want to improve your English, I invite you to join my Facebook group. It's completely free. The details are in the description below. Also, bis nächstes Mal.